If small holes have been appearing on wooden structures and furniture on your property, check for powderpost beetles. Powderpost beetles are major pests that feed on wood, causing extensive property damage. In this video, we'll go over how to identify powderpost beetles, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are several different species of pests that are described as powderpost beetles. Generally, these beetles grow up to 1/4 of an inch in length, but other powderpost beetles can grow as big as 3/4 of an inch. Their body colors range from light browns to reddish browns to black. Common types of powderpost beetles include lyctids, bostrichids, and anobiids. Lyctids have narrow, elongated bodies once they've pupated into adults. After pupation, they emerge from wood, creating exit holes about the size of a pinhead. Lyctid powderpost beetles prefer to target hardwoods like oak, ash, or cherry. They usually target flooring, door and window frames, and furniture, and they are not likely to target structural components like beams, since those are usually made with softwood. Bostrichids have stouter bodies. Their heads are oriented downwards, creating a humped or hooded appearance, and some may have a pair of spines protruding from the tail ends of their bodies. Like lyctids, bostrichid powderpost beetles usually infest hardwoods. The holes they produce can reach up to 1/4 of an inch in diameter. Anobiids are convex in shape. These powderpost beetles are sometimes confused for drugstore beetles or cigarette beetles, but be aware that drugstore and cigarette beetles target stored products instead of wood. Anobiid powderpost beetles target hardwood and softwood and may cause serious damage to wooden structural components. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Many powderpost beetles prefer to infest dry wood, but some will target wood in higher moisture areas like in basements or attics. Indoors, check furniture, flooring, and other wooden articles. Outdoors, note any wood piles, fence posts, and any buildings that are made with wood. Be on the lookout for small exit holes. These holes are also often accompanied by a fine or powder-like dust. Note that exit holes indicate the pests have already pupated into adults, and they've already done any feeding damage they could do as larvae. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To treat wood infested with powderpost beetles, apply a product like Tim-Bor. Tim-Bor is a versatile wettable powder that can be applied to protect wood from insects or fungi. This product must be mixed with water before application. Once mixed, apply your solution with a handheld sprayer. For general liquid spray applications, mix a 10% or 15% solution by mixing 1 or 1.5 pounds of product into 1 gallon of water. Spray your solution onto exposed wood. Tim-Bor protects treated wood as long as it's not exposed to rain or flooding. After you've allowed Tim-Bor to dry, apply FiPro foaming aerosol. FiPro is made with fipronil, a non-repellent insecticide. This foam product quickly expands to cover all surfaces in a crack, crevice, or void. In holes where pests have been observed, or in cavities that you've had to drill yourself, spray long enough for the product to expand and cover the entire area. When applied properly, beetles will travel through the treated areas normally and make contact with the chemical. Beetles affected by FiPro will have their nervous systems impacted and die within a few hours. One application of FiPro will control treated areas for up to 30 days. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Powderpost beetles prefer to infest wood that has not been waxed, varnished, painted, or otherwise coated. If you bring untreated wood into your home, inspect it for exit holes. Wood kept outdoors, like firewood, should be stored away from your home and other wooden structures. Areas like the basement or attic should be kept dry and well ventilated to deter anobiid powderpost beetles. Finally, make regular reapplications of FiPro foaming aerosol. FiPro will protect treated areas for up to 30 days, so a once-a-month treatment schedule will protect your home year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop powderpost beetles from infesting your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.